एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर वेदांत श्रीरणाम विष्णु महाराज अनंत कोटि शासन करता तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर एवं समस्त वैष्णव विष्णु के चरण कमलों में मेरा
We are trying to celebrate Nashinga Chaturdashi. It's very difficult to worship Nashinga Dev with a very pure mind and pure heart, but we are trying to. Yesterday we read up to Parikshit Maharaj. Should I put this in there? Parikshit Maharaj asked a question. What question who did he ask the question to? He asked the question to Sukadeva Goswami. And which question did he ask? So he said, Bhagwan, but he said, Bhagwan is not partial to anyone. He's equal to everyone. But if we look in reality, then he takes the side of demigods. What's this? And that's why he kills the demons. Sometimes he kills the demons directly, and sometimes he kills in a indirect route. Listen to this Katha. Sukadeva Goswami, Father, he was very pleased. He said, oh, he said, the questions you have asked me are very sadhu. Sadhu means uttam. Your questions are topmost, uttam. Because in this the question you asked was like when a Strota asks the question to the speaker. Rabbi Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying, so if you ask a question, this question should be relating to the Bhagavad Katha. Then if there is no kalyan, there is no benefit for the speaker or the listeners.
कल्याण जिसमें है
where there is a kalyan for the listeners, there is a benefit for the listeners and the speaker, then you have to ask that type of questions.
महाराज ये बताइए
Otherwise, it said, like if you ask a question, hey Maharaj, why do I get headache? Why cannot sleep? Why do I sleep so much?
इसमें कोई भागवत शब्द नहीं
These are not good questions. These are not spiritual questions.
इसलिए कहीं कथा उसी प्रकार हो
So the katha should be
हरेश चरित्र अद्भुतम भगवान की श्री हरि की कथा
that
अद्भुत कथा
the Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha and the Kirtan you should listen to, and where everybody would benefit spiritually,
होकर के हम
and then eventually you would get the bhakti and attain Bhagwan.
आपकी नींद नहीं हुई
If you don't sleep or you didn't,
इस कथा की हरि कथा थोड़ी
is that Hari Katha? No, that you can't sleep or you sleep too much or you got headache. What is that? That is not Hari Katha.
संसार की जो डॉक्टर
That is just material. That is the material problem. Who can, in the material problem, then you need to go to the material doctor who can help you. So, Sukadev Goswami, when he listened to this and he paid pranam to his Pitaji Vyadvais, and he started to speak and he started to give the answer.
भगवान विष्णु
His
श्री
father,
हरि
Vyadvyas, first he paid the pranam to Vyadvyas.
भगवान श्री हरि के प्रकृति के पति है वो अजन्मा राज देश के निमित्त मूल देह और इंद्रियों के रहित है ऐसे होने पर ये अपने स्वरूप शक्ति के प्रभाव से बद्ध जीवों के समान बाध्य पदता अर्थात परम देश भाव की वैष्णव की शिकार करते हैं हे राजन सप्तम
हे राजन,
ये तीनों प्रकृति गुण है
there are 7.
परमात्मा की नहीं है
Yes. So
हरिका
he's saying,
हम
Rajan,
किसी देश रखते बा मित्रता रखते
who do we keep friendship
ये
with?
किसके ऊपर निर्भर करता है इस संसार में
It depends on what? It depends on this material world. Okay, let's forget the Vaishnavas.
इसके प्रति मैं देश
But in this material world, who do I keep the friendship? Who do I keep friendship with? Who is like, what does that friendship depend on?
प्राकृतिक जगत में जो
In the material world, depends on the mode of the 3 modes of
तमाम उनके द्वारा
nature.
उसके प्रति मेरा देश
So if you have a mode of more ignorance, then your friendship will be with that type of people. So if you have a sattvic gun, if you have nature of sattvic, then you will have friendship with who has same type of nature.
और समय भी सबसे जो है
And
बलवान है
also somebody is very strong.
समय क्या है
Samay, what is time? Time.
समय हमें बता देते
The time will actually show
वो मित्र है
who is, whether he is your friend or your enemy.
क्योंकि संसार
So within time, you will know, with time, you will know that whether that friend is your real friend or your enemy. That is the nature.
क्योंकि काल में उसके भी
Because with the Kal, with the time, these modes of nature,
काल के द्वारा
these three modes of nature, mode of ignorance, mode of passion, and mode of sattva,
समय पर
goodness,
एवं क्षय होता है
that the intelligence of that person changes according to the time. And there,
का सेवन करता है रजोगुण अपनी बुद्धि के समय रजोगुण तो असुरों की वृद्धि करता है और तमोगुण अपनी वृद्धि के अवसर पर यक्ष राक्षस आदि की उन्नति करता है सूर्य सुबह प्रातःकाल में
in the Surya, in the morning, when the sun rises, when the sun rises in the east, and then sun sets in 24 hours. What happens in the 24 hours? We start off, even in the animals, this mode of nature depends on during that 24 hours. Right in the morning, Prakatal, In the evening, before the sunset, the nature is mode of ignorance. Like in the morning, you have to do this. What happened? That I have to go to work, I have to go to office, I have to work. So what happens? That the mode of passionate comes in you during the morning when you have to go to work, and then Sam in the evening. Then what happens? The mode of tamazon, like ignorance, comes, that you feel sleepy. And you feel like sleeping, yes, and yes, and you sleep at night. What does the sleep depend on? Tamagun. It depends on the mode of ignorance. Because then we go to sleep. Then when we wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, what happens at 3 o'clock in the morning? Then the sattva gun is there. The sattva nature is there. The nature of goodness is there. So that's why we do puja and pran, archan, part puja. And the mind is quite peaceful. After 3 o'clock up to 6 o'clock, we have peace. Our mind is peaceful and the nature is peaceful as well. From Brahma Muhurta to up to 6 o'clock. So like when the sun rises, like around 6:15 or 6 o'clock. So what should we do during this Sattva Yuga, the mode of goodness? We should do your mantra. We should do your prayers and srutis. As the time goes by, and then what happens is the time goes, then the Rajagun comes, the mode of passion comes. But Bhagwan is independent. Three kal. Three kal adita. Means he is not affected by any of this mode. He is not affected by any of these modes of three natures. Bhagwan Sri Hari, he is far away from this material world. It doesn't affect him. Our Baladev Vidyabhushan Prabhu and they've said 26 is done, 26 qualities. Panchaniya, 5 material, 5 working senses, 5 there's 20 20 sets material. So there's 25 5 material service. Then you got ego, then intelligence, that's 23, 24. So that 5 elements of the body. Then there's Paramatma, there's Atma, there's ego, there's intelligence, there's mind. So that's 24, that's 26. And then Doraya, so Paramatma or Purush or Pratiki. So that's 28. Our Baladev Vidyabhushan. How many elements did they have? Material elements is 28. Panchakarma, 4 working senses, 5 elements of the body, 5 working senses, 5 working senses, 5 non-yes. 5 senses. And then the 4 senses are Ahankar, ego, intelligence, mind, and then we've got Atma and Paramatma. So there's 2 Paramatma. So the 2 is Paramatma, Ishwar or Paramatma. Prakrit, Purusha. And Purusha. What is Purush? And what is Pratiki?
है? ये मेरे जो अहंता भाव,
that my Purusha is my bhav,
प्रकृति
Pratiki,
स्वभाव
Sabhav, the nature.
है, इसलिए अट्रैक्ट करती है।
So that's why it's 28 qualities. 28 qualities.
पुरुष और प्रकृति,
Purush
पुरुष
and
और प्रकृति
Pariti.
के मिलन से सृष्टि होता है।
You know, the creation from Purush and Pratiki, the creation is manifested. The Purush and Pratiki, Atma and Paramata are Nitya.
सब जगह क्या है?
The rest of them is all
प्राणी और ध्वनि।
are material.
पंचकर्मेंद्रियों का जब हम हैं,
And the
हमारी
five,
कर्मेंद्रिय जो है,
for all the senses we have, the
क्या है
five,
पंचकर्मेंद्रिय?
those five.
चक्षु, कर्ण, नासिका,
Chakshu,
जिह्वा।
jiva, tongue, taste, hearing,
बात साथ पानी,
smell,
बात पानी, वायु, बस पंचकर्मेंद्रिय।
and the Panchkarma. The five elements are air, sky, air, sky, is air, ether, water, fire, earth.
ये कितने हो गए? 10 पंच महाभूत का
And then five,
मिट्टी, जल, अग्नि, वायु, आकाश।
yes, there's
कितने
5.
हो गए?
Earth,
15 हो गए। और
water,
बाकी
earth, water, sky, air. There's the 5 elements, then the roop, then the taste. The other 5 senses: roop, ras, taste, and spursa, touch. And that's another 5. And that's 5. That's 20. And buddhi, cheat, intelligence, and ego, that's 24. And then atma and paramatma, that's 24, 25, 26. Paramatma, 26. Atma is independent. Atma is nitya. Paramatma is also residing in the body. Then that's why this body is working. And Purush and Pratiki. Purush, what is Purush? Mine. This is Purush, means mine, my father, my Hankar. That is Hankar. Pratiki means changes the nature. The nature. 28.
तो इसी प्रकार
knowledge okay.
It's
28, 26. Some people think it's 26 tattva, some people think it's 25, and some 28. Different rishis have said differently. Some say it's 26, some say it's 25, something 26, some even solar 16.
इसी प्रकार यह पर भी कहानी रजोगुण अपनी वृद्धि के समय रजोगुणमय असुरों की समृद्धि करता है और तमोगुण अपने बुद्धि के अवसर पर यक्ष राक्षस आदि की समृद्धि होता है। हम जिस व्यक्ति के संग होता है,
whoever we associate with, if you associate with a sattvic person, then the sattvic nature will come into you. If you associate with a tamasic, then you have that passionate mood. Whoever you associate with, that mood comes to you. There's in this RC, darpan, mirror, the mirror darpan. What does mirror do? Whatever we look like, that reflection is on the mirror. That's what the mirror does. Mirror shows us what we look like. That same reflection is reflected on the mirror. Whoever
समाधि
if you are small, then the mirror will show that is small. One or these two lenses. Also, these two convex lens and concave lens. So lenses will. So if you come near the lens, then that image will be seen. It is how long you are. And then if you are long and you have this concave lens, then your image will be short. Hathi is Balwan. Yes, Hathi. Look at elephant. Is so strong. Then how can he come under the trap of humans? And how human beings can catch elephant? Because the elephant is so strong. And animal and human being compared with elephant, human being is small compared to elephant. Human being cannot lift the elephant. If you like a radish, the radish, if it's under the ground, you have to pull it straight up, right? If you pull it out on the side, then it will break. Then the root will remain underneath and the leaves will break the leaves. So what I'm trying to tell here is, whoever we associate with, that will be reflected on us, that will come to us. So that's why the Shastra says, if you associate with the satsang people, spiritual people, then spirituality will come with you. But if you associate with a satsang, non-devotees, then that type of mood will come in you. So Bhagwan is totally above all these three. He is independent. The Bhagwan, these natures, modes of natures don't affect Bhagwan. Even the pure devotees also doesn't touch them. The modes of material nature doesn't touch them. Rajagun,
समस्त प्राणियों में समदर्शी भगवान विभिन्न वस्तु में विभिन्न प्रकार की कम या अधिक रूप से उसी प्रकार प्रकाशित होता है। यह प्रकार है।
Yes, and the Tika it says,
भगवान की अनुभूति जैसे जैसे आप परिणाम करते हो,
you will have the realization of Bhagwan as you do Harinam. As you do your Harinam, you will have the realization of Bhagwan. So what you have to do, you have to have some satsang, you have to have association. Sangha Siddha, then Arup Siddha, then Sangha Siddha.
जिस प्रकार काष्ठ आदि अग्नि पात्र आदि में जल, घट पदार्थ आदि में आकाश नमन द्रव्य भी प्रकाशित होता है, भगवान उस असुर परमात्मा का बंधन करके व्यक्ति विशेष की क्रियाओं का उपलक्षण कराते हैं। ये परीक्षित चित्त सुविध है। कालचरणं ससिजसाश्रयं प्रधानं पुण्यं नरदेव सप्तकृत। सुखदेव
Goswami said, Hey Parikshit, Chit or Achit,
और अमुक संत संकल्प स्वरूप भगवान जगत की उत्पत्ति के कारण प्रतिकूल पुरुष एक जनक की सहकारी एवं भागवत अद्भुत उनकी सृष्टि करते हैं। अतः प्रातःकाल उनकी चेष्टा स्वरूप है एवं स्वयं काल का अधीन नहीं है।
Here it says, the Atma that we have in our body. Where does the Atma say? He's speaking. Sukdev is answering to Parikshit now, and he said, Where does this Atma stay? That Atma that's in our body.
अत्रैव दाहित पूर्वम् इतिहास सुवर्णिम् चित्तं महाप्रंतो राजनम् पुण्यो श्रावणास्तत्कृते। हे राजन,
Said, hey Rajan,
जब पांडवों का
when Pandavas,
अर्थात हरभंग शिव जी के दिए हुए जो धनुष जो है
the Dhanush that the Shivji gave to Arjun, Pandavas, this katha you know, there, even Lakshman was very angry with that. Do you know this katha? I don't. Bhagwan Shivji told that my Dhanush, the arrow and I will give it to who will understand. So what he did? So he went to Ravan. Ravan is also a devotee of Shivji and Janak Maharaj. So Shivji's two dear Sishyas are Ravan and Janak Maharaj, and give them this arrow and bow and arrow. So Lakshman took it to Ravan. Ravan was sitting in the assembly of his, and he said, "Hey Maharaj,
उस समय भगवान ने किया कि चलो यहाँ पर उनको हरिद्वार और आगे जाना नहीं पड़ेगा।
Bhagwan said that you'll have to go to Haridwar. Here Bhagwan is saying I didn't get that bow and arrow. That was special bow and arrow. Lakshman first took it to Ravan because Ravan is a dear disciple of Shivji, but so is Janak Maharaj.
उनको प्राप्त करने में अर्थात भगवत प्राप्त करने में
I don't understand.
बहुत समय लगा और मिलने चाहा तो मिल नहीं। अतः नरक में उसको आपने डाल दिया, दमघोष दूतम पापम आरब्ध कल्पभाषणम नाम संप्रदार्थे गोविंदे दश दंतवक्तश्च सुस्मृति। दमघोष के पुत्र शिशुपाल,
So Damo's Putra, the son of Damo's Shishupal,
दमघोष के पुत्र शिशुपाल, शिशुपाल के यहाँ पर थोड़ा परिचय दे।
so he has introduction is giving of Shishupal.
दमघोषव सुत पाल पाप आरस्य कल्पभाषयात्। दमघोष के पुत्र पापी पशु चारण के लिए जब से वासवन में कुछ नहीं बोली, और उसी प्रकार गुरुमती दंतवक्र भी से कृष्ण से इस करता रहता था। सत्वोत्तर कृष्णेषु जद ब्रह्म परम ब्रह्मं श्रीवत्रो न जाने जहन्नाथ विविशस्तुमातः। भगवान श्री कृष्ण के प्रति बार बार कटुक्तियां करने पर भी उन दोनों की जिहा में श्वेत कुष्ठ रोग नहीं हुआ और मन बात भी उनको घोर अंते मरने के बाद भी उनको घोर नरक में जाना पड़ता है। इसलिए उसके बढ़कर आश्चर्य की बात और क्या हो सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
So Sukdev Goswami Pad,
उत्तर देते हैं
so he is replying,
जो लोग ऐसे विधि निषेध के पालन नहीं करते
the person who was not following the scriptures,
उनको भी क्या होता है?
so what happened with them after the death?
नरक जाना पड़ता
They used to go to hell. They have to go to hell.
है। सतत ऊपर संकृत विष्णु जद ब्रह्म परमात्मन श्रीवत्रो न जाति सिद्धनाथं दिविद संतुष्टवान्।
So here,
श्री कृष्ण के प्रति बार बार उल्लायन करने पर भी इन दोनों जिहा में श्रेष्ठ रोग नहीं हुआ। अंत में मरने के बाद
so at the last, after dying,
फिर इनको भगवत प्राप्ति
किसको
है।
किसको गुरुदेव?
जो लोग भगवान का आराधना करते हैं
So the person who used to chant the holy name of Bhagwan and he used to do the archana of Bhagwan, they say they used to get Swargalok or Bhagwan Dham.
प्राप्त करना दुर्लभ है।
But it's very rare to get the Bhagavad Prapti. It's rare, very rare.
वायु के चलने पर
So when the wind flows,
दीपक की ज्योति जैसे
so when the wind flows, so it's really hard. You cannot light the lamp, ghee lamp. In the same way,
और यदि हवा जो चले
so just suppose that if somebody is keeping the lamp on his hand, so if there is a wind is flowing so much hard, so it's really hard to keep the lamp light.
इसलिए सुखदेव गोस्वामी
So in this way, Sukdev Goswami Pad said,
देवर्षि
"Hey Devarshi, Narad,
इसके निंदा स्तुति सत्कार एवं निंदा का तिरस्कार अनुभव और प्रकृति एवं पुरुष विवेकहीन के कारण इस शरीर में कल्पित हुआ है। यह धर्म शारीरिक है, आत्मा की नहीं है। देश हिंसा आदि, किसी को देश हिंसा आदि
so if you are criticizing someone,
किसके ऊपर मैसेज करता है?
so it depends on the body.
शरीर के ऊपर है। मुझे अच्छा बोले तो अच्छा लगता है।
So if somebody is praising me, so I feel good. Or if somebody is not praising, so I don't feel good. So if somebody is abusing me, so we feel so much bad. So this is the body's conceptions.
होने के कारण भी
So because we have a ego, body ego.
वो जीव भी
So after doing the archan of Bhagwan, so it destroy
समस्त प्राणियों में
bodily
आत्मा
ego.
है और अद्वितीय पुरुष है। बद्ध जीव के समान उनमें अर्थात मैं और मेरा इस प्रकार अभिमान नहीं रहा।
So Bhagwan doesn't have the bodily conceptions, that ego bhav, that I am this body.
तस्माद् व्यवहार बंधुने निर्वहनेभ्य भयने च स्नेहाकामेन च विद्याजुञ्जा अतीतो नेत्रक्षते विदः। स्नेह कामेन च जुञ्जा कथंचित् नेक्षते विदः। इसमें कार्य है
Here it is saying,
ये हम लोग के इस संसार में जो हम रहते हैं,
So we live in this world.
इसमें होता है क्या?
So what happens here?
सत्तर रजतम और तमगुण आकर के मन को क्या कर देता है? दूषित कर
So
देता है।
Sat, Tamo, or Rajgun comes and polluted our minds
सत्तर,
or
रजत,
mind.
तम। ये तीन में विशेषकर तमोगुण आकर के क्या
So
कर देता है?
especially amongst three, the Tamogun,
दूषित कर देता है।
it polluted our mind. It happens or not?
कृष्ण बलराम।
Krishna Balram.
तो उस समय
हाँ?
अहंकार पैदा होकर
What?
के हम
No,
दूसरे को
when
भय
Sat,
दिखाई देते हैं।
Tamo or Rajogun comes in our mind, so it polluted. Mostly the Tamogun polluted our mind. It destroy. Yes, yes. It attracts towards Vikar, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Madh, Moh, Matsar.
जिस प्रकार
In this way,
भृंगी,
Bringi Rishi,
तिलवाई, तिलचट्टा,
Tilchatta. There is a kinds of insect which is called Tilchatta in Hindi. Tilchatta. I don't know in English what is Tilchatta.
कहा जाता है क्या क्या कहते हैं? रस्सी गर्मी में रहते हैं।
Cockroach.
कॉकरोच
Cockroach.
है? उसके कुछ लोग तो भय करते हैं।
Yes, some people are afraid from that, especially ladies. They are afraid too much from the cockroach while they see it in the kitchen.
है कि नहीं?
Is it true or not?
माताएं जो है
The ladies
बहुत डरती
who are working in the kitchens, they used to afraid of this kind of insect like cockroach. But Purush, the man, they used to go to the kitchen and some people used to eat the cockroach. The Chinese people.
है कि नहीं? उस देशों के लोग जो है जैसे अफ्रीका जंगल के लोग हैं।
Yeah, some people's countryman.
हैं?
If you go to the Africa's forest,
आदमखोर।
they are
आदमखोर समझ में आता है?
white.
आदमखोर किसे कहते हैं?
Who is Adam Khor? Adam Khor means
मनुष्य के जो खाने वाले
who used to eat the man.
आदमखोर।
Huh?
जंगल में
Cannibalists.
जंगल में
Cannibals.
ऐसे जो है
The people who used to eat meat of humans.
कुछ मिल जाए खाने।
So they are people like they used to eat everything whatever they get.
जो लोग जंगल में जाते हैं
The people used to go to the forest.
देखकर फिर जाकर के आप उसके साथ मित्रता करा लेते हैं।
They used to make friendship with the people, and after that they cut and kill and eat that.
आदमखोर
So that's why they used to call carnival. Cannibal, right? Adam. In Hindi it is Adam Khor. And in English is cannibal. Cannibal, right? You are listening? You are listening?
हे नारद जी
Hey Narad,
तो सत्यमय देवधारी वैकुंठवासी पार्थिवों का प्राकृत देह और प्राकृत स्थान किसी प्रकार संबंध नहीं। फिर उनका प्राकृत मनुष्य के समान प्राकृत देह से वो कार्य आदि करते रहते हैं। आप लोगों मुझे अवश्य ही इसके उपाख्यान अभी सुना रहे हैं। कौन सा उपाख्यान सुना रहे हैं? ये किस प्रकार संसार के लोग
so now the context is going on that how, according to the Tamogun, the people of this world doing the work.
रजोगुण के तरह क्या आता है?
What comes after Rajogun?
अहंकार आता है।
Ahankar, egos, that I am the doer.
और सत्वगुण के द्वारा
And
सात्विक भाव
when
आता है।
Satguna comes,
सात्विक भाव के लक्षण क्या होते
so what is the symptoms of Sattvic
हैं?
Bhav? Dan, charity,
अहिंसा,
doing good to others, and do not kill anybody. These kinds of symptoms comes.
जितने प्रकार के दुष्कर्म जो है लोग कैसे करते हैं?
So the all kinds of bad activities. So all kinds of bad activities done by the human being by the under the tamoguna or rajoguna. So when it comes,
भोजन के ऊपर निर्भर करते हैं। भोजन
it depends
आदि,
how it comes. It depends on the food what you are eating
संग आदि के द्वारा
and the people whom you are engaging with. What kind of association you are getting.
और उसका ही गुण होता है।
So the what kind of people you are associating, in the same way you will get the qualities of that person. So Narad Muni is giving the practical katha. Narad Muni. So in this way Narad Muni said, Bhagwan Narayan, hey So now he is telling the story of Jaya Vijay. So there were four Jaya Vijay. They think the normal human being of four sons of Narad Muni, Sanat Sanatan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar. What that Jaya Vijay did. So they think that the Chatusen are the normal persons, and it stopped. So you have heard this story very well. So there are four sons of Brahmaji, Sanat, Sanatan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar. So they learn everything from Brahma, and after getting the qualification of, so after getting the order from the father, so they went for tap, for austerity. So the Chatusen, the four sons, four Kumar. So Brahma said, you stay at home and just get married. And so that's our world will be increased. So worldly people used to say that, why are you getting this Babaji ways? You should get married and give the born to many childs. So and realize that how this world is joyful or painful. You should realize yourself. Why are you going to the forest for austerity? You should stay at home. So you should realize that this is painful or joyful, this world. So you should examine yourself. What kind of world is this? It's very painful because we used to feel so much hot and cold. We used to so much, feel hungry in this world also. We are always searching for food here. So in this way, here it is saying, Narad Rishi said, so getting under shelter of Tamogunas, Rajoguna, Satoguna, so people used to work. So Hiranyakashipu tried so many times to kill the Prahlad Maharaj. Prahlad was so much lovable for everybody, and he was so much cool personality. he was assured by the Bhagwan.
कि इसलिए उनके उपाय करने के लिए हिरण्यकशिपु
That's why
उन्होंने भगवान
Hiranyakashipu tried so many hard to kill him, to Prahlad Maharaj, but he was unsuccessful all the times.
इसमें एक बात बोलते हैं।
As I used to say,
हम लोग इस संसार के जो जीव हैं,
so we are in this world jeev,
क्या होता है? पीड़ित हैं? पीड़ित समझ उसको? पीड़ित।
so we are so much suffering by the sattva, rajo or tamo gun.
प्रातः काल में क्या होते हैं?
So that's why in the morning time, Brahm Muhurat, sattva gun.
सत्य गुण। इसलिए ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में उठ करके
That's why we should get up early in the morning and in the Brahm Muhurat, and we should chant our mantra or holy name.
प्रातः काल में
That's why in the morning time, in the Brahm Muhurat, we should chant the holy name as much as we can.
प्रातः काल में नाम कीर्तन आदि नहीं करते हैं।
So the person who are not doing the kirtan or bhajan in the morning time, so
दान करने से क्या?
they cannot get the auspiciousness in his life.
जीव गोस्वामी का उदाहरण
That's why Jeev Goswami Pad gave the example.
संदर्भ में जीव गोस्वामी पाद उदाहरण दे रहे हैं।
In the context, Jeev Goswami Pad was giving example that Ganga Jal is so much pious,
और वो गंगा में जाकर के पहले कौन नहाते? ऐसा अच्छा।
okay. So the fishermen used to, whenever fishermen used to go to the Ganga Nadi, they take bath.
प्राणी हत्या में लगे रहते हैं।
They-
गंगा की जल तो अपराध
So
है।
what is the meaning here? Actually, Ganga is so much pious, but after they enter into the Ganga and they used to get the fishes for their livelihoods, and they used to kill that.
ये गंगा स्नान करने से पवित्र हो जाएंगे।
So it is not necessary that if you are taking the bath in the Ganga, then you will be pious.
बिल्कुल स्नान मत करो।
So in this way, I am not saying that you shouldn't take bath in the Ganga. You should,
समझ में नहीं?
but it is not sure that you will get the benefit or auspiciousness after taking the bath in the Ganga. As the example is here giving, the fishermen, they used to go to the Ganga, they enter into the Ganga, but still they are not pious. They are catching the fish for their livelihoods and kill that.
ये श्रद्धा के अभाव
Because they don't have the faith towards Ganga. There is a lacking of faith.
डुबकी लगा रहे हैं
So they are taking the bath in the Ganga.
और मछली भी पकड़ रहे हैं।
And but what they are doing, they are catching the fishes, they are killing fishes. So
दूसरी बात है, गंगा के जो अप्राकृत जो भाव उग्रंथ है,
so because they are not getting the transcendental nature of Ganga, they don't have faith, this kind of faith.
अभी जब जब इसके पश्चात
So in this way, Jai Vijay, after that,
द्वारपाल के
the gatekeeper of Jai Vijay,
जन्म में
in the next birth, they took the birth in the form of Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha.
इसके पश्चात ही जय विजय नामक द्वारपाल दूसरे जन्म में विश्वश्रवा के औरस के द्वारा
So in this way,
गर्भ से रावण और कुंभकर्ण
by the sperm of Vishwashiva and the womb of Debhuti,
क्या बोले
Vishwashiva or
हैं? यहाँ पर लिखा है विश्वश्रवा के औरस द्वारा ओशनी के गर्भ से
ओशनी,
रावण और
ओशनी।
कुंभकर्ण नाम राक्षस। ये समस्त जगत में समस्त सुखी था हैं? रावण कुंभकर्ण जगत जय विजय
Jai Vijay,
राक्षस जन्म लाता
they took the birth in the form of demons, Rakshas.
पहले जन्म में क्या हुआ
Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha हुए थे ना?
हिरण्याक्ष और
In the first birth, they got the birth in the form of Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha. In the second,
रावण
Ravan and Kunkara. And the third,
और तीसरी जन्म में
Shishupal Dantavakra
शिशुपाल
or
और
Dantavakra. Shishupal and Dantavakra.
एक कथा भी बहुत सुंदर वर्णन है ब्रह्मा जी के
So
चार जो मानव
there is a beautiful katha. Brahma ji, they had
और
four sons, Sanat, Sanandan, Sanatan, Sanat Kumar. They got all the qualification from Brahma ji. So after getting the knowledge, they used to ask to his father, what we have to do now, please tell us, please order us what we can do.
क्या चल रहा है
Lockdown, because nowadays lockdown is going. क्या नहीं मिलेगा बोले? हाँ, so we cannot find job in this lockdown. Dhaba is band of Anadi. You cannot find job anywhere. So what to do in this lockdown? What to do?
ब्रह्मा जी ने उत्तर दिया कि एक
So Brahma ji replied, do one thing,
विवाह आदि करो
get married.
विवाह आदि करके
So after getting married, stay in this world
और
and
संसार को उत्तर बढ़ाओ
increase the world.
हैं? ये सबसे बड़ी अच्छा चीज है कि
This is the best thing.
हैं? तो उस समय
So in
चार
this-
कुमारों ने ब्रह्मा जी के प्रश्न पूछा
So in this way, the four sons asked the question from the father Brahma, please tell us one thing,
हमें क्या करना है आप मुझे उपदेश दीजिए।
what we should do. Please tell us.
ब्रह्मा जी ने डायरेक्ट उत्तर दे दिया क्या करो
घर बसाओ, संसार, शादी करो.
शादी करो विवाह करो।
So Brahma ji directly said to them,
शादी
get married.
किया क्या
In this world, material people used to say, if you are not getting married, if you are not getting the married in this world, so people used to criticize here, material peoples.
संसार लोग कहते हैं
The material peoples used to say,
अवस्था है
you are so young in this age, so you cannot perform bhajan in this way. So what you should do, you should get married.
दूसरे के दिखाने के लिए
Just showing to other peoples, showing to other peoples you are performing bhajan. No, you shouldn't do bhajan in this way. You should get married.
ज्ञान वैराग्य आदि
So after when you get the jnana or vairagya in this way, then you should bhajan, perform bhajan. The worldly people used to say like this.
अभिमान आदि करो बस ब्रह्मा जी ने क्या कहा
So in this way Brahma ji said, go and get married.
करके संसार को बढ़ाओ।
Go and get married and increase the world. Give the born so many childs.
संसार को तो कहते हैं ना,
The worldly people used to say like this.
संसार में तो यही कहते हैं कोई माता पिता है
So,
कहते कि बेटा
if-
तू सन्यास लेकर चले जा
Is there any parents who used to say his child don't go and get sannyas? They used to say always, oh, you should get married and give the born to the children's.
हैं?
The parents of this material world used to say, oh, please get married.
हाँ ये देखो आप देखो वास्तविक में
So this is practical, you can see.
वही कैसे हैं? हाँ? सचिमा क्या बोली
Sachima, what Sachima said when Nimai was getting sannyas,
हैं? बोले कि नहीं
what she said,
बोले बेटा तुम क्या
oh my dear son, don't go.
सन्यास लेना नहीं चाहिए
You shouldn't get sannyas. Stay in the home and perform bhajan.
हैं? सन्यास लेने से भजन थोड़ी हो जाए
So it's not possible that if you are getting sannyas, then you will perform bhajan. Are you getting?
सन्यास लेने से भजन नहीं होता
So after getting the sannyas that you are performing bhajan, it's not sure.
चैतन्य चरितामृत
So that's why in the Chaitanya Charitamrita there is a katha.
কি কাজ আছে সন্ন্যাসে প্রথমেই বদ্ধ হয় हैं? प्रथमेই बद्ध है अहंकार पासी बोलो सन्यास में है क्या चीज
What?
अहंकार बोल तो मैं सन्यासी मैं सर्वश्रेष्ठ हूं।
So what is in a sannyas that you get this kinds of ego that I am sannyasi?
और उससे क्या अहंकार की तरफ तुम
So why this ego?
भगवान के पास जाने
You cannot go to Bhagwan.
दंडे के भजन कर जाए
You will get punishment.
प्रथमेই बद्ध হয় अहंकार पासी
So sannyasi used to think themselves that they are so much highly person. They have this kinds of ego.
अहंकार आ जाता है
They get this kinds of ego. Oh, I am so much topper.
अपने पैर कहाँ रख देते हैं
I'm the best.
ब्राह्मण के कान पर रख देते
They used to give their feet on the head of Brahman.
हैं ठीक है वर्क नहीं हो इसके उदाहरण क्या है
Is there an example?
उदाहरण जानते हो
Bali, Brahman.
नहीं जो
Nahush.
हैं? इंद्र चले गए।
When Indra
और
went,
सब देवता लोग बोले हम क्या करें?
so all the devtas
बोला,
said
तुम राज
what to
कर
do.
लो।
So they,
राजा होकर के बैठे।
there is a Nahush
बोले
story.
मैं इंद्र हूँ। हैं? इंद्राणी कहाँ है? उनसे संग। हैं? इंद्र की पत्नी इंद्राणी।
So Indra's wife name is Indrani.
आप राजा बन गए हो, आपकी मैं पत्नी बन। हैं? एक काम करो, आप हमारे पास आओ। कैसे आओ?
कौन किसको बोल रहा है?
पालकी में बैठ कर आओ।
Who is telling to who?
हैं? तो उसमें उन्होंने क्या कि एक पालकी बनाया, जिसे देवता लोग भी ऋषि लोग के लगा दी।
पालकी किसने बनाई कुंती?
हैं?
पालकी किसने बनाई?
पालकी बनाया है।
किसने? मतलब पालकी किसके कंस?
मैं समझ गया, क्या बोला?
मतलब पालकी किसने बनाई? कौन जा रहा है पालकी में?
नहुष की कथा है।
हाँ,
जिसे सर्प बनाना थे, हैं? ऋषि लोग के लगा दिया। ऋषि लोग धीरे धीरे लेकर चल रहे थे और इतने वो काम में मोहित था, हैं? ऋषि के पैर कंधे पर पैर रखे हुए, चल चल चल, जल्दी 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 चल। संस्कृत में कहते सर सर सर, जल्दी चल।
अच्छा.
और ऋषि लोग अभिशाप दिया, मूर्ख, हैं? या तो सर्प बन गया।
Okay, so Nahush was in the palanquin, and what happens? So all the rishis was carried him,
ये उदाहरण है।
and he was so much kama sakt at that time, and he got cursed by the rishis that you will be served in your next birth. So in this way, sometimes people get this kinds of ego. Oh, I am the super, I am the best.
प्रथमेই বদ্ধ হয় অহংকার। অহংকার অহংকার समझ पा रहे? इसलिए कहते हैं बोलो देखिए कि काज अच्छे सन्यास है, सन्यास लेकर तुम्हारे क्या हो?
So what the use of taking sannyas? You will get ahankar. Oh, I am the best. I am sannyasi,
और सबके ऊपर डंडा चला दियो।
and you will
तुमके ऊपर जो डंडा चलाने वाले
you will order to everybody.
हैं? तुम सबके ऊपर
So you will order to everybody.
तुम्हारे ऊपर तो कोई डंडा
So there is
चलाने
someone
वाला है।
who will order on you
अहंकार
and will correct you.
सबके ऊपर डंडा चलाने वाले कौन है?
Who is the super personality? Bhagwan. They used to give order to everybody.
तो आइए कथा में।
So in this way, coming to the katha.
ब्रह्मा जी ने
So in this way, Brahmaji,
चतुर्सन को बोले, अरे विवाह
This,
करो,
they-
सन्यास मत लो।
they told to Chatusen, just get married, don't take sannyas.
नहीं नहीं पिताजी,
So the Chatusen said, no Pitaji, no father, we would like to get sannyas. And the father said,
शादी करो। हैं?
his
जीवन
father
की
said, get married,
बर्बादी मत करो।
get married and don't waste your life.
कहते हैं शादी
Mat karo.
बर्बादी।
We used to say like
कहते
that,
हैं,
get married and make your life
शादी
successful.
जीवन के तुमने क्या कर दिया?
And in this way, Brahmaji said that if you are not getting married, so you are wasting your life.
लोग
And in this way, people used to say generally in this material world, if you are not getting married, you are wasting your life.
पिताजी की बात तो नहीं सुना कौन?
Chatusen. So Chatusen didn't obey the order of his fathers. They went to the forest for getting lean into the Brahma.
मेरा बेटा जो
They would
है,
like to be merged into the Brahma.
नहीं आएगा।
So in this way, Brahmaji said, "Oh, even this way, if we are going to the forest, they won't come back." Brahmaji was thinking.
ब्रह्मा जी ने किया कि
So Brahmaji said to Chatusen.
जो है स्मरण करो।
So they remember the Bhagwan Vishnu. Hey Prabhu,
मेरे पुत्रों की जो है आप रक्षा
please save my childs. They are going to the forest for merging into the Brahma. So in this way, hearing the prayer of Brahma,
करें। अपने चरण
Lord Vishnu.
तुलसी मकरंद की सुगंध।
So what kind of offering
अपने चरण
tulsi
मकरंद
he
सुगंध।
had in his feet? So
वायु के द्वारा
they give the smell through the air in the nostrils of Chatusen.
भगवान की चरण कमल की अर्पित तुलसी की मकरंद
So the tulsi which was offered in the feet of Bhagwan, so the smells of the tulsi was so, the fragrance was so much nice. So when it entered into the nostrils of Chatusen,
जिस दिशा से आ रही है
so they
इस
went
सुगंध,
where the smells was coming from, the fragrance was coming from. They used to start moving from that side.
इसलिए कहते हैं ना, भगवान की चरण कमल की मकरंद की फुल्लित तुलसी
So in this way,
कितने शक्तिशाली।
so the fragrance of the tulsi which was offered to Lord, it was so powerful.
और वैकुंठ के द्वार पर आगे उसमें वैकुंठ के
So
द्वार
when
पर
they
कौन था?
when they get into the
जय और
gate of Vaikunt, so who was standing there? Jay or Vijay, the gatekeeper of
चार
Vaikunt.
कुमार देखने में बहुत
So
सुंदर था।
all the four Sun Kumars were they were so beautiful. They were
कट्टा सा संग। और शरीर भी सुंदर है,
so they have beautiful body.
नाटा तो है,
So they were so much short,
देखने में बहुत सुंदर
but they were so much attractive.
है।
They were looking, the four
शरीर
sons.
से ब्रह्म तेज,
So that the aura was coming out from their bodies.
मन शरीर सुंदर। और वस्त्र परिधान नहीं किया।
So they were naked. They didn't get any kinds of. Some writer used to say
परिधान किया कि नहीं किया?
all the four Kumars they were wearing the cloths or not.
हैं? मैं नहीं करूँ, कोई के वैष्णव लोग
Some
इस संदर्भ
Vaishnav
में-
used to say in this context they were not wearing any kind of clothes, stuff in their body.
क्या बोला? हाँ, क्या बोला था?
चतुर्सेन कपड़े नहीं पहने.
हैं?
चतुर्सेन
तो दुश्मन कैसे था वो?
naked.
हैं? वस्त्रहीन।
They were naked.
कोई कोई वस्त्र खाते हैं, कोई नहीं।
But some
वस्त्रहीन।
तो अब थे या नहीं थे कुछ.
वो जो को भी पहनी।
So they were wearing the kopin that time. Some Vaishnav used to say like this. Some Vaishnav says they were not getting anything. They were not wearing anything.
इसलिए कहा। और उस समय
So in that time,
जय विजय ने उनको क्या की?
Jay Vijay stopped them.
किसको?
Chatusen,
है, कहाँ जा रहे
hey, where are you going?
हैं? तब उस समय
So at that time, the Chatusen
क्या कर दिया?
shrap did they cursed to Jay Vijay.
भगवान के दर्शन के लिए
Hey, you are stopping us to take the darshan of Bhagwan.
कहाँ भगवान के दर्शन के लिए जाए?
We are going to take the darshan of Bhagwan, and you stopped us. So you are behaving like demons. So we are cursing you. You become demons in your next birth. Go
में दो प्रकार के लोग
to the Mrityulok. In this world, there are two kinds of peoples.
जो भाव संपन्न
Some peoples have,
दैवीय भाव जो कहते हैं, जो
nature of devtas, and some have nature of the devils.
क्या बोले, शुद्ध विचार रखते हैं, उसको दैवीय भाव
So the peoples who used to get some good thoughts, they are kind of devtas, and the person who are involved in bad activities, they are called like devans. So in this way, Chatusen said that we are going to take the darshan of Bhagwan, and you are stopping us. So you are behaving like demons.
भजन करता ही नहीं।
So in this world, people don't get bhajan so much, but some people who are going to
एक आध व्यक्ति
performing bhajan, and you are stopping them.
सच है।
It's true. In this world,
और
you
उसी
can
भजन
see.
करने वाले की तुम टोको, तब कौन भजन करेगा भगवान?
So there are few people who are performing bhajan, and you are stopping them. Stopping them. So this kinds of situation in this world also,
अब
you can see practically here.
इसलिए वो चार कुमार के हृदय में क्या
So that's why the Chatusen get so much anger in their mind, and they curse to Jay Vijay. Go and get the demons, because you are teaching like the demon.
इसलिए कहते हैं, इसके पश्चात ही जय विजय
So in this way, after that Jay Vijay, the gatekeeper of Vaikuntha,
पहले जन्म में क्या बोल को?
in the first birth, they got
जाओ और सुजनी प्राप्त करो।
go to the Mrityulok on earth and get the demon's body.
सबकी समाप्ति हो जाएगी और तुम दोनों ही वैकुंठ में आ जाओगे।
And when you get all the 3 births, after that you will come to the Vaikunt in the form of Jai Vijay.
हे राजन, इस प्रकार
हे राजन,
होकर जय और विजय दोनों दाखवाल
So when Jai Vijay got the curse from Chatusen,
और नदीकरण दयालु ऋषि ने पुनः उनसे कहा, 3 जन्म के पश्चात तुम्हें साप की समाप्ति हो जाएगी और तुम दोनों पुनः इसी बुद्ध में आ जाओ.
so after getting all 3 births in the demon's form, you will come back to the Vaikunt in the same form of Jai Vijay. So in the same way, first they got the birth in the womb of Diti. First is Hiranyaksha and Hiranyagarbh.
सम्मान करते थे.
Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu.
हिरण्याक्ष और हिरण्यकशिपु के जो है, सब लोग इसको क्या करते? सम्मान करते थे.
हिरण्याक्ष सम्मान करते, डरते थे करते,
हाँ?
डरते थे या सम्मान करते थे?
क्या करते थे?
डरते थे या सम्मान करते?
सम्मान करते. डर से भी सम्मान करते. किसी को सम्मान से किसी को नहीं करते. अरे किसी को पूजा करो, डर से करे, भय से
So
करे,
in this
और
way,
प्रीति से करे.
so at that time,
करने की इच्छा नहीं.
people used to get so much fear from Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha because they were so much powerful. So in the same way, people who are fearing, so they are respecting. Who are not respecting, they are not fearing.
अब बात सही है कि नहीं? क्यों नहीं करो तो
So if they were not, if the people of that time they don't respect to the Hiranyakashipu or Hiranyaksha, so they used to kill.
तो ईश्वर और दानव उसका बड़ा सम्मान करते.
So all the Daitya, demons or Devta, they used to
देखते हो दानव किसको मानते हैं?
Daitya and Danav, all they were respecting
अरे
to
भजन दानव दो प्रकार की होता है.
Hiranyakashipu and
एक ऐसे
Hiranyaksha.
करते हैं, कोई साधु किसमें करता है. इसमें कहते हैं बंदी भक्ति होता है, एक रागान का होता है.
So
ऐसे जो भजन करता
in the same way, some people are performing bhajan, so some are fearing from the shastras, and
कुल के संस्कार और ब्रजवासी को
some are spontaneously performing bhajan.
वो भाव
There are 2 kinds of bhakti, Vaidehi or Raganuga.
आज करिए. अब बात सही है कि नहीं? ये मतलब कैसा?
सही बात है.
सम्मान सब तरीका.
So it is writing here, the respect word is writing here.
सर्वप्रथम
So all the people give the respect, pay the respect to Hiranyakashipu and Hiranyaksha. So Hiranyakashipu was the elder one and Hiranyaksha was the smaller one.
सम्मान करते थे. आइए महाराज पधारिए.
All the people respect.
हैं? यहाँ पर
Oh Maharaj, please come.
करते थे.
When Hiranyaksha used to walk where, everybody bow down their heads.
सम्मान नहीं करते. हैं? अरे बाप, नेताजी हैं? गाँव में जाकर नेताजी वोट पहनते
If
हैं,
somebody is
बाप
gunda को English में क्या बोलते हैं?
के पैर के पास.
A villain.
हैं?
If there are villains, many kinds of villain in the society, and whenever they go somewhere, so people used to respect them by the fear.
हाँ, सब कहते हैं नेताजी
Used to call them Netaji, oh sir, oh God, oh Netaji.
नेताजी.
Criminals, yes.
अरे बोलते हैं,
Criminals,
सम्मान
criminals in the prison, but bahar they are villain.
तो उसी प्रकार हिरण्याक्ष हिरण्यकशिपु के सभी सम्मान करते हैं. सम्मान
So Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu was giving respect to everybody. Everybody was giving respect to Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu.
मूर्ति धारण करके हिरण्यकशिपु का वध किया था और पृथ्वी के उद्धार करते
So Bhagwan got the body of Hiranyakashipu,
भगवान ने वराह मूर्ति धारण करके
Narsingadev,
प्रतिकूलता
and killed Hiranyaksha and Hiranyakashipu. And he, so in the Laghu Bhagavatam I was reading just now, so there is a sequence there. What kind of that? Matsya, Kurma, Vara, Narsingh, Adi Avatar was coming. But in sometimes, in some Kalp or Manvantar, Narsingh Avatar took the birth first, and after that Kurma Avatar come. I was reading Laghu Bhagavatam in the morning. It is not necessary that all the time Bhagwan has to come in the sequence way, Matsya, Kurma. Sometimes Narsingh they take birth first and Kurma take birth after that. Jai Jagadish Hare. So there is a sequence there, but it is not necessary all the time.
लघु भागवतम का ग्रंथ
It is written in the Laghu Bhagavatam. Srila Rupa Goswami Pad was writing there.
मनंतर में
So according to the different manvantar, Bhagwan take different kinds of birth. Sometimes he used to come early, sometimes later.
चाक्षुष मनंत अवतार में
In the Chakshush manvantar,
स्वयं भगवान
Bhagwan himself, he took the form of Narsingh and then Vara or Narsingh, Vara or Kurma.
मेरा तो ऐसी पहली धारणा था ये सब एक ही है
So earlier I was thinking that Bhagwan used to come all the time in the sequence way, but no, it's not necessary. It is clarified by Rupa Goswami in Laghu Bhagavatam.
भगवान श्री ने निश्चित मूर्ति धारण करके हिरण्यकशिपु का वध किया था
So after getting the form of
उसी का उद्धार
Narsingh, Bhagwan killed Hiranyakashipu.
धारण करके प्रतिफलता उत्पन्न करने
And after that he took the birth of Vara
किया था
and he killed Hiranyaksh. What? But he took the birth later. Actually, in the sequence way, one is taking Matsa Gurnavara, but in the sun, Kalp or Manvanta, he later. Sometimes later, sometimes earlier. So are you getting? Are you getting what Gurudev was saying?
उनके साथ में मुक्त करने के लिए भगवान शिव ने रामचंद्र के रूप में अवतीर्ण होकर उनका वध किया था तुम मार्कंडेय जिसके मुख से भगवान रामचंद्र के पौध और पौरुष चरित्र को श्रवण करोगे
So we will discuss the katha tomorrow.
जय गुरु विजय नामक इन दोनों द्वारपाल ने ही तीसरे जन्म में तुम्हारे भरोसे भाइयों के रूप में क्षत्रिय कुल में जन्म लिया भगवान श्री कृष्ण चक्रघात से और उसके पाप नष्ट हो गए और वो उनके अभिशाप से मुक्त हो गए द्वापर युग में
In the Dwapar Yuga,
उनको मारा शिशुपाल और
he killed Shishupal and Dantvakra. Bhagwan killed Shishupal and Dantvakra.
मान लिया बस आरती करो
Chalo, perform the arti.
ये दोनों विष्णु पार्षद बहुत दिनों
So the both Vishnu Parshad, after so much time,
वही भाव से भगवान का ध्यान करते रहे जिस श्री गुरु ने भगवान श्री कृष्ण के परम पद को प्राप्त किया तो इतना उनके समीप चले गए
बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय.
राधा कृष्ण ने कहा भगवान हिरण्यकशिपु अपने प्रिय पुत्र परमात्मा प्रहलाद से क्यों विद्वेष करता था प्रहलाद किस कारण से भगवान श्री कृष्ण के तन्मय हो गए और कृपा करके हमें यह समस्त वृत्तांत बतलाइए
हम कल बतलाएंगे.
ये सोचते थे आगे जाकर
So we will discuss this tomorrow.
का बहुत बड़ी बात है ना कृष्ण का अपनी माता
So after when the Hiranyaksh was killed, so Hiranyakashipu gave the lecture to their wives and all. Hare Krishna, Dandavat Pranam.